Next up is a cocktail that I am dedicating to all my Zobo lovers out there, and it's called the Raspberry Zobo Sunrise. Now grab the largest glass cup you can find in your kitchen and fill it up with some ice. The more ice, the better, because this has a good amount of vodka and vodka melt ice. Now to this you are going to be adding 2 parts of Absolut Raspberry Vodka. Now if you feel this might be too much for you, just go ahead and reduce this to 1 or maybe 1.5. But trust me when I say that, you would only taste the flavors when it comes to this cocktail. The fresh flavors of the Zobo and the raspberry and the orange juice in it. Now to this, I am going to be adding 1.5 parts of the Simple Zobo syrup. Now I will leave how to make this in the description box, so make sure you look out for that. Now you could be a little bit more generous and add some more Zobo. It's never too much, but to this, I think 1.5 would be enough. And the last ingredient in this cocktail is some orange juice. Just fill up your glass cup with the orange juice. Now, when I was mixing this cocktail, it occurred to me that I should have probably done this in a shaker, but nonetheless, if you have a spatula, you can go ahead and stir this cocktail in, but I just took a straw and stirred it as much and as gently as I could until I got a little bit of a better looking gradient in the glass cup, making sure that the Zobo, which had settled at the bottom of the glass, had mixed in with the orange juice and with the vodka. And after this, it tasted absolutely fantastic. You could, or from this, I could taste the raspberry, I could taste the Zobo, I could taste the orange juice. It was just a very, very flavorful blend, honestly. So yeah, grab your straw and drink up. Your cocktail is ready. And truly, it was a fresh flavor. It was a fresh cocktail.